Welcome to Glazinia. Are you dreaming of transforming your space into a luxurious sanctuary without breaking the bank? Today, we're diving into budget-friendly tips that will make your home look and feel high-end. Overview: affordable furniture upgrades, smart decorating tricks, the power of lighting and textures. Point 1. Luxury on a budget. Luxury is more about style, simplicity, and intentionality than the price tag. Key elements. Point 1. Clean lines. 2. Cohesive color schemes. 3. High-quality finish. Tip 1. Clean lines. Clean lines are a hallmark of luxury home design, offering a sophisticated and timeless aesthetic. This approach emphasizes simplicity, precision, and a sense of balance, creating spaces that feel open, elegant, and uncluttered. Tip 2. Cohesive color schemes. Cohesive color schemes are essential for creating a harmonious and visually appealing space. By using colors that complement each other, you can establish a sense of balance and flow throughout your home or design project. Tip 3. High-quality finish. High-quality finish are a defining feature of luxury spaces, adding refinement and durability to any design. From polished hardwood floors and sleek marble countertops to custom cabinetry and elegant fixtures, premium finish elevate the overall aesthetic and value of a home. Point 2. Budget-friendly home decor tips. Use neutral and sophisticated color palettes. Using neutral and sophisticated color palettes is a timeless way to create an elegant and inviting space. Shades like beige, ivory, gray, taupe, and soft whites provide a calming backdrop that exudes refinement and versatility. Add metallic accents like gold or silver. Adding metallic accents like gold or silver is a simple yet effective way to infuse a touch of luxury and sophistication into any space. These shimmering elements catch the light beautifully, creating a sense of elegance and refinement. Whether it's through statement light fixtures, decorative mirrors, furniture hardware, or subtle trims, metallic finish can elevate the overall aesthetic. Swapping old hardware cabinet handles, knobs for chic ones. Swapping old hardware like cabinet handles and knobs for chic, modern options is an easy and affordable way to refresh your space. Updated hardware instantly transforms the look of cabinets, giving them a more stylish and polished appearance. Add plush throws, velvet cushions, or faux fur rugs too. Create depth and warmth. Adding plush throws, velvet cushions, or faux fur rugs is a perfect way to create depth and warmth in your space. These soft, textured elements instantly make any room feel cozy and inviting while adding a layer of luxury. Upgrade lighting to create a luxurious ambience. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a luxurious ambience, transforming the mood and elevating the overall aesthetic of any space. Layered lighting, combining ambient, task, and accent lights, adds depth and dimension, making the room feel more dynamic and inviting. Use mirrors to make spaces feel larger and brighter. Using mirrors is a clever and stylish way to make spaces feel larger and brighter. Mirrors reflect both natural and artificial light, instantly enhancing the brightness of a room and creating a more open, airy atmosphere. Create a gallery wall with affordable prints or DIY art. Creating a gallery wall with affordable prints or DIY art is an excellent way to personalize your space and add character without breaking the bank. This design feature allows you to showcase your style, interests, or memories. Use affordable storage solutions like baskets and organizers to keep things tidy. Using affordable storage solutions like baskets and organizers is a practical and stylish way to keep your space tidy and clutter-free. Baskets made of materials like wicker, fabric, or metal add charm and texture while providing ample storage for items like blankets, toys, or everyday essentials. Use plants real or faux they instantly. Bring life and luxury to any room. Incorporating plants, whether real or faux, instantly brings life, freshness, and a sense of luxury to any room. Real plants enhance the ambience with their natural beauty, purify the air, and create a calming environment. Faux plants, on the other hand, offer the same visual appeal without the need for maintenance. Accessorize with affordable decor like vases, trays, and candles for simple touches. Accessorizing with affordable decor like vases, trays, and candles is an easy way to add simple yet impactful touches to your space. Vases filled with fresh flowers or greenery can instantly brighten a room, while decorative trays provide a chic way to organize items like jewelry, keys, or small accents. Candles, with their soft glow and inviting scents, create a cozy and relaxing ambience. Point 3. Room by room transformation ideas. Living room. Transforming your living room into a cozy and stylish space can be as simple as adding a rug and incorporating layered curtains. A well-chosen rug not only defines the seating area but also adds warmth, texture, and cohesion to the room's design. Layered curtains, on the other hand, bring a luxurious, hotel-like ambience by combining sheer panels for soft, diffused light with heavier drapes for privacy and elegance. Bedroom. Upgrading your bedroom with a duvet cover and decorative pillows can instantly elevate the space, giving it a polished and inviting look. To enhance the symmetry and create a balanced feel, use matching bedside lamps or pendant lights. These provide functional lighting while contributing to a cohesive design. Bathroom. Transforming your bathroom into a spa-like retreat is easy with a few thoughtful touches. Adding a faux marble tray for toiletries not only keeps your essentials organized, but also brings an element of luxury and elegance to the space. Installing a new shower curtain in a sophisticated design or neutral color instantly updates the look, while rolled-up towels add a touch of spa indulgence and visual appeal. Kitchen. Updating your kitchen with peel and stick backsplash tiles and organized open shelves can quickly refresh its look while maintaining functionality. They come in a variety of patterns and finishes, allowing you to create a custom look with minimal effort. Organizing open shelves with matching jars and containers adds both practicality and visual appeal, giving the space a cohesive, curated feel. Bonus tips for savings. Shop during sales. Look for low-cost DIY tutorial, repurpose, or upcycle items. Remember that luxury is achievable at any budget with creativity and planning. Please do comment your favorite tip or share your own budget-friendly ideas. I hope you all like these ideas and will excited to try them out. We'll see you with a new topic. Till then, take care of yourself with our lovely skincare and grooming tips to make you look more beautiful day by day.